Good morning, my dear class 7 students. Welcome to the new session of Maths Online Classroom. Today we are going to start a new topic and you can see it on the screen, that is exponents and powers. A very new name for you, isn't it? This is your chapter 13 of class 7. Let's see what is exponent and power. Here you can see 2 raised to 4, isn't it? Just see this, 2 raised to 4. We read it as 2 to the power 4 or 2 raised to the power 4. Once again, 2 raised to the power 4. What does this mean? 2 raised to the power 4. That means 2, the number which is written largely here, is multiplied 4 times. 2 is multiplied 4 times. Now, let's read the boxes. The little number 4 is called the index or exponent. Okay? The little number 4 is called the index or exponent. What does it tell us? It tells us how many times to multiply the big number. Okay? The little number tells you how many times you are going to multiply the big number. So what is this big number? The big number 2 is called the base and is what we multiply together. The big number is the number which we multiply how many times? The little number times. Okay, so what is the meaning of 2 raised to the power 4? It is 2 multiplied 4 times. Okay, now once again, the big number is known as base and the little number is known as exponent. Now, where is this power? We usually read it as power. R is silent there. Power. So, this full expression, that is 2 raised to the power 4, is known as power. 2 is the base, 4 is the exponent, and 2 raised to 4 is the power. Okay, so next, why exponents and powers are important? Why do you study exponents and powers? Students, in daily life, we usually deal with very large numbers or very small numbers. That means the size of a virus or the size of a bacteria that are represented by very small numbers. Okay, you will have 0.00000012 millimeter, such that they are very small numbers. Now, what about the distance between the earth and the sun? They are large numbers. We cannot read it when you write it as such. In such cases, we use exponents and powers to write it in the simplest way or very easiest way. Okay, then increase in population. Increase in population. We use exponents because they increase exponentially. Okay. What about rumors? Rumors or any verbal marketing. 2 people talking to each other. Then these 2 people will go and spread the news to others. They are not adding. They are exponentially increasing. 2 persons will talk, they will go and spread to 4 persons. These 4 persons will go and spread to 16. So they are exponentially increasing. So in such cases, we use exponents and powers in our daily life. Okay, so this is your basic concepts in this lesson. So let us see the basic concepts of exponents and powers. Now, find the value of 2 to the power 6, or you can read it as 2 raised to the power 6. How will you find the value? You can see 2 multiplied 6 times. 2 multiplied 6 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 multiplied 6 times. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 2, 64. So the value of 2 to the power 6 is 64. Similarly, how will you calculate the value of 9 to the power 3? Or you can read it as 9 raised to the power 3. We will calculate 9 multiplied 3 times. 9 multiplied 3 times. 9 into 9 into 9. How will you calculate? 9 into 9, 81. 81 into 9, 729. Okay. Next, express the following in exponential form. Exponential form. Here, how many times is the number 6 multiplied? 6 is multiplied 4 times, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is multiplied 4 times. So, how will you write this? 6 will be the base and 4 will be the exponent. Let us see. Here you have 2 more questions. So, here the answer is 6 to the power 4. Here children, this is 4. 4. 6 to the power 4. 6 multiplied 4 times. Now, next question. 2 into 2 into A into A. 2 is multiplied 2 times along with A multiplied 2 times. How will you write this? 2 raised to 2 into A raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 into A raised to 2. Instead of multiplication sign, you can use a dot. Okay. Now, A into A into A into C into C into C into C into D. A multiplied 3 times, C multiplied 4 times and D only 1 time. So, how will you indicate this? A to the power 3 into C to the power 4 into D. Is that clear? So, the big number will be the base and the number of times you multiply that number will be your exponent. Let's see the next one. How will you express a number in the exponential notation? So here you are given a number 512. How you are going to express this as a power? Let's see. For this you need to revise how you prime factorize the number. Do you remember this method? This is what you call as prime factorization. You use only prime numbers to do this. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Okay, so do the prime factorization of the given number. You will get 2 multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 multiplied 9 times gives you 512. So, how will you express 512 as exponential notation? It is 2 raised to 9. Let's see another number. The question is 648. Let's do the prime factorization. Prime factorization. Here in 512 you saw only 2. But here in the case of 648 you have 2 multiplied 3 times and 3 multiplied 4 times. So how will you express this? 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 4. So by this slide, I am winding up today's session. So today you learned what are exponents and powers, why do you use exponents and powers, how to express exponents and powers. Thank you. Have a nice day.